Thousands upon thousands of Ahmadis from around the world flocked to London to see the blessed countenance of their beloved Imam, while millions more followed the live coverage broadcast on MTA. From Sunday onwards, Hazur's body lay in state in the Mahmud Hall, in the grounds of the London Mosque. Those who could reach the mosque did so.